As Russian logistics rely a lot on trains, Russia struggled with logistics inside Ukraine as they went over to trucks. But now as Ukraine is focusing on striking more inside Russia, they are stepping up strikes on Russian train and railway infrastructure. While one strike can be fairly easily repaired, multiple cuts help to reduce Russia's overall capability, pushing Russia's logistics further back, making them less effective on the front line. With a recent strike on a train carrying fuel, starting to wear down Russia's supply chain further and further away from Ukraine, making them less effective. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.